Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是Lim Zepsiu, Joseph Lin, and Alice here to teach us vocabulary that's very useful in everyday life. 今天呢，教一个比较现实的问题好了啦。我们很少跟你谈到钱这个问题哈。
不要谈钱，会害怕。
对 when you talk about money, you feel like you're gonna break, certain bonds here. But you know what? We're here to teach you how to say money. 我们要教给大家，我们不谈钱了，对不对？哈，我们要讨论钱这个字。
OK.
So how do you say money? 钱到底怎么说呢？
钱
啊，讲客语不是国语
对啊。
钱还是很像呢。好，钱 that is money in Hakka。那有什么零钱？我们常常会有什么 spare change 你们有 coins 这样子。零钱怎么说？
朗赏钱。
朗赏钱 that's spare change, all right? And to put money, 我们钱呢通常都要放在一个东西叫做钱包。对，但钱包 is a very general term. 因为钱包可以包括皮夹，也是一个钱包啦哈。那女生的这个包包也是钱包，或者放零钱的钱也是钱包。The term 钱包 could incorporate the wallet, a woman's purse, or a coin purse. 那这个钱包怎么说？
钱包。
钱包 okay, that's again the coin purse or a wallet or a purse. 然后呢，有时候我们要去银行或者要去这个 ATM 我们要领钱了，对不对？ To withdraw money 怎么说？
两钱。
两钱that's 领钱出来 okay, that means withdrawing money.
那海陆腔的领钱，亮钱。
哇，要亮钱出来啊！领钱出来要亮给大家看。
没有，不行啊，钱不漏。
亮钱或亮在那里那样子。
不是，海陆腔的领钱叫亮钱，四线叫两钱。
我想说怎么会这样随便亮钱呢？
绝对不可以给人家看到钱。
Different dialect for withdrawing money. 亮钱。Let's make a sentence out of one of these phrases right here. 我们用零钱来造个句好了哈。
好。
你有零钱吗？ Do you have some spare change?
你有朗赏钱吗？
你有朗赏钱吗？ Okay, that means do you have spare change? 好 let's review these terms, all right? 零钱 that means spare change.
朗赏钱。
朗赏钱 Then the purse, 钱包。
钱包。
钱包 And then withdrawing money, 领钱。
两钱。
两钱 So there you have it. All about the money here on ICRT's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺子say张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.